What we didn't talk about yet, Jim, is, and I know you've been focused on it, every day, is oil.
Yes.
The Suez is still a situation. The ship is still stuck, and oil was ticking up. What should we do with it?
Well, I know that the overnight rates for oil for tankers up gigantically. I mean, this thing is we look at it and we're kind of like a beached up whale thought, but we know that there are consequences. The thing that is so strange about this market is the opening trade says you got to go buy the airlines. The oil trade says that you should sell the airlines, but it doesn't matter. The opening trade takes precedence over everything, and I think oil still has a very hard time in the mid-60s because I think the Saudis just open the spigot just enough to drive it back down. But this is one market where we're really kind of struggling, betting on both sides of a trade. You shouldn't. One of them's wrong, is what I'm saying. Yes, I know, and Phil's been doing amazing work. The airlines are back. They're adding capacity. At what point does Boeing get better orders? The 787 is ready to the Dreamliner. Remember when they took it off, it was front page. Mm-hmm. Now it's coming back, and nobody really cares.
Boeing hasn't had a great week, Jim.
No.
Boeing's down, I don't know, it was down like more than 8% as of yesterday. Now, I don't know where the stock is right now. We can throw it up, talk about it. But some of those recovery stocks, after having a really nice run, were down. Boeing, a lot of the airlines, as you say, this week alone, double digits. Some of the cruise lines, the casinos, the resorts, et cetera. And Boeing's getting a lift by 1%.
Focus on the cruise lines for a second. I mean, the cruise lines have been a neophyte. They'll hate that term. A younger investor's fascination. But when you speak with the people who run the cruise lines, they're basically telling a tale of the CDC being, hey, listen, we're still in the Diamond Princess era. So you can do whatever you want. We're not letting you sail. So the younger people like to buy these stocks. People like to buy them beginning at 4 a.m., as I saw this morning, 3:30, 4 a.m. But the actual guys who run the companies are saying, hey, we can't do anything. So the excitement that some of these people have, the younger people, to buy the cruise lines, is not equal to the way that the CEOs feel, which is that the CDC is basically saying, we don't care about you at all. There is no imperative that people sail. None.
Yeah. Well, I mean, look, some of these cruise lines, everybody's going to have to be vaccinated to get on one of the cruise ships.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.